So let's take a look at the lace. All right, so I'm gonna hold it up to the camera. So it's like a stretchy material. Let me show you guys what it looks like on my hand. Like, this is what I do when I'm looking at a lace for the first time. I'll hold it up against my hand and I see like how thin it is and then the color of it. Does it reflect light? Because I feel like that's like a big giveaway, like when you turn your hand and the lace reflects light. This lace isn't really reflecting light really bad, so that's good. I feel like this color of lace would be fine on me. Like, I can put this lace on myself. And I feel like after I put a little bit of makeup on it, it'd be good on me because, you know, my skin is a little bit darker. But for my girls out there or guys out there who are wig lovers out there whose skin complexion is a little bit lighter, I'd be concerned about the melt. But I don't know, that's just me just looking at it like first impressions. The lace is nice and stretchy, which is a good thing. And the lace is not like an awkward green tint. Like, I've seen so many wigs out there these days because I have customers who come to me and they bring me wigs from like wherever, like out of the woodwork. And I've seen a lot of bad lace. So this definitely is some good lace. And I just want to see how it applies and how it melts in, because looking at it is nice and stretchy. And the color is, I think this color is good for like medium to dark skin tones, but then I'd be concerned putting this lace on someone who's a little bit lighter. So, okay, so that's my assessment of the lace.